Hey guys, we are back as always in a beautiful spot to grill some fresh zander fillet along with some vegetables. So sit back, relax and enjoy. We start this amazing dish by slicing the bell peppers. We clean a few green onions. They are just simply amazing grilled. We continue by peeling some green asparagus. We always peel the bottom part because the skin is tough even after grilling. We slice some eggplants too. Now, not everyone likes grilled eggplants, but they are amazing with some sprinkled olive oil on top. The fish that we chose for this dish is the zander. It is already cut and cleaned, and let me tell you, it's a delicate white fish meat, so we will keep it simple. We will grill it with some olive oil on top, and we season it lightly with salt and ground pepper. You can add a touch of garlic if you want. The prep is done, so we proceed to our favorite part, the grilling. It takes roughly 10 minutes to cook the fish, not more. For a crunchy skin, always add a touch of olive oil. Our vegetables start to look good. It is a very nice mix of vegetables with different flavors and textures. Grilling them is straightforward. We want them to be soft and juicy. The meal is done and it is light and delicious. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, Don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. It is free and it helps us a lot. See you on the next one.